Hi, glad you're here. Whether you use a smartphone or a system camera, if you want to shoot smooth video in motion, you can't do it without a gimbal. We will show you the best mobile gimbals on the market. For this, we've evaluated tests and opinions and added them up to an overall score. Before I get into too much detail here, let's get started. If you liked the video already, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming comparisons. So here we go. We're starting in third place with the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Approximately $110. Mac Life rated it 1.2. Video Active gave 79 out of 100 points. And customers rated it 1.5. Inexpensive gimbal for stabilized smartphone shots. Strengths: good and intuitive stabilization, foldable and compact, and relatively inexpensive. Weaknesses: DJI app still with potential for improvement. With the Osmo Mobile 3, DJI realizes another gimbal that should enable you to take smooth shots with your smartphone. It collects plus points in terms of features and ease of use, with its 3-axis stabilization, image tracking modes, and rubberized handy grip. Also practical, the device is foldable and can be thus stored more easily. The gimbal also receives positive reviews from the first Amazon customers and test magazines. The strong price-performance ratio and the solid stabilization are unanimously praised, while the manufacturer's associated app still seems to have room for improvement, according to testers. In second place, we have the Freevision Vilta M. Approximately $130. Photo Magazine rated it 4 out of 5 stars. Video Active rated it as test winner plus very good. And customers rated it 2.1. Entry-level gimbal for smartphones and action cams. Strengths: basically suitable for smartphones and action cameras. 3-way stabilization, extensive settings possible, and the battery lasts very long. Weaknesses: panorama creation in app inaccurate. The Freevision gimbal ensures steady pictures both in video recordings and with the smartphone and action cams. The prerequisite is that the device used in each case has a width or height for action cams between 48 and 85 millimeters. With action cams, however, there is a risk that the mount will cover the controls. The controls are operated via a joystick and another button, which is used to switch between the different stabilization modes. For a price of $130, Freevision delivers a good overall package, to which the first reviewers already attest to a satisfactory stabilization performance. By the way, we have linked this and all other smartphone gimbals in the video description below. And in first place, we have the DJI Osmo Mobile 4. Approximately $150. Digital Photo rated it very good. Mac Life rated it 1.2, and customers rated it 1.3. Active support when filming with the smartphone. Strengths: folding mechanism, low weight, uncomplicated holding mechanism, and compact dimensions. And weaknesses: battery not replaceable. The Osmo Mobile 4 is the next generation gimbal from DJI. Innovations for image stabilization when filming with a smartphone. The device is commercially available as the DJI OM4, and at 390 grams, weighs slightly less than the Osmo Mobile 3, which was highly rated by testers. It is suitable for smartphones weighing a maximum of 290 grams, which can be attached easily thanks to a magnetic holding mechanism. Video creation is simplified by various smart shooting modes. After connecting the smartphone via Bluetooth, gesture control is supported. The gimbal gets its operating power from an integral battery that can be recharged via USB cable, the capacity of which should be sufficient for a maximum of 15 hours, according to the manufacturer. Testers complained that the battery of the predecessor could not be replaced. Unfortunately, the manufacturer has not improved this. Thus, only a power bank can help if the battery runs out on the road. And that's it for our comparison of the best cell phone gimbals. Since each has its own strengths and weaknesses, everyone should decide for themselves which suits them best. I hope I could help you a little, deciding on your purchase. If so, please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. That would really help us and the channel. And maybe you'll tell us in the comments which product you like best, and which one you might have already decided on. Thanks for watching, and see you very soon. See you next time.